With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this question we need to differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary consumers, giving one example of each in a food chain. So here we have a diagram which shows different types of food chains, and so that it is easier for us to understand. The first thing is that the producers are the plants in any food chain, and these are the ones which lie at the first trophic level or the first trophic level or the lowermost trophic level. So in this case we see that they convert the radiant energy of the food into the radiant energy of the sun into the bond energy of the ATP molecules, and these producers will be fed upon by the another group of organisms which are called as herbivores. Now these herbivores are also called as primary consumers. So all the animals which consume directly on the plant diet are called as primary consumers. So here we can see on the maize the rat is feeding, so that means this rat is a primary consumer here. Whereas in the second food chain the rabbit is supposed to be a primary consumer. In the third food chain the caterpillar directly feeds on the vegetation, so it is called as a primary consumer. Right? So now coming on to the next one, that what is a secondary consumer. So primary consumers will be fed upon by the carnivores. These carnivores which directly feed on the herbivores are called as primary carnivores, though they are also called as secondary consumers because they are at the third level now. So these are secondary consumers. We will mark the secondary consumers here. In this chain it is the eagle, in this chain it is the fox, whereas in this chain it is the frog which is at the secondary consumer level. Now coming onto the third one, that is the tertiary consumer. Primary consumers will be further fed upon by the tertiary consumers, or these are also the carnivores, and these carnivores are also called as the secondary carnivores. Secondary carnivores. So let's mark these secondary carnivores. In this chain we have the lion as the secondary carnivore. In this chain we have the snake as the secondary carnivore. But most of the food chains, if they are long enough, then there is a top carnivore also present. In this food chains which are shown here, we can see eagle is the top carnivore here. So we have shown a 3-step food chain, a 4-step food chain and a 5-step food chain explaining the primary, secondary and the tertiary consumers. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.